Hi fellas, welcome to my channel. It's me, Grasha. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put thumbnail on your YouTube video in few easy steps. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go on and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. The easiest way to put or change or edit the thumbnail of your YouTube video is through the YouTube Studio. So you must download this app from the Google Play Store and you need to install it on your phone. Next is, open this up. Then click videos. It will show you all of your videos there, and then you need to click the video you want to put thumbnail. Then see this pen like icon, click this. It will proceed to this. Here is another pen like icon on the upper left. You need to click this again, and there you are. There are auto-generated thumbnails that you can just simply choose and use, but if you made your own thumbnail from your gallery, just simply click change on the first box and pick your photo to use, then click select, then click save. Now it's all set. There you are.